Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shares Guitar, this is Depusheng. So this video is not a tutorial, so I'm going to show how I unboxed a new system, a sound card, and the microphone set as well. So I'm going to show you a short video of how I unboxed it. Then after the unboxing, I'm going to show you how I'm going to. Am I taking too much? Okay, so let's go. Let's get straight to it. So this is my mini setup for my now recording. So this is the SM58 dynamic microphone with the SM57 also. Yeah, this is the SM57. So I'll be using this to mic the acoustic guitar. That's the guitar there. So I'm going to. So I have this sound card. This is not any ordinary sound card that is popular out there. So I got this thing from Temu. So this is Depusheng from China, and we have the gain knob, the inputs. So I've connected both microphones to it. So I have the gain knob from the first one, that's the vocal mic, and this one is for the acoustic guitar. So I also have low cuts. So these knobs are actually the gains, and this one is the input and DAW. So this one communicates with either the phone or the PC. Yeah, so I mostly connect it to the PC so that maybe if I want to add a loop, it will make it easy. So I can use this headphone for the phone out for monitoring. So I've connected it to my headset, and so this is the manual. Yeah, so when we come to the back here, we have the let me turn off the. Okay, so when we come to the back here, we have the USB out for the computer to communicate to the computer, and I can switch between the power sources. So when I turn to this power source, the light turns on because I've connected this USB-C to a power source, and I can switch between I can on or off the 48 volts. That is if I want to use a dynamic microphone instead of this ordinary dynamic microphone. Did I say dynamic? If I want to use a condenser microphone instead, I have to switch to the 48 volts. And I bought this to act as an output so that I'll be able to record onto my phone whilst at the same time taking some audio from the PC. So I've connected it to my old phone. So I have this splitter which places it between the headphone and microphone. So I've connected to the microphone slot, and it's going to record. So I'll use this output. So I'll go to record and I start recording. You see that it is recording with external microphone. Yeah, so everything I'm saying right now is being so I'm hitting the microphone right now. So this is coming from the dynamic microphone, and this is the guitar microphone. So when I hit it, this is what comes. So I'll let the sound that is being recorded right now display come out instead of the actual sound from the phone that I'm using to record. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to use to record my stuff. I'm going to do a lot of covers, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this setup. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about the setup and yeah, how the sound is. So I'm going to try this. Yeah, so this is it, and I'm desperate for I'm lost without you. Okay, so I'm going to switch the power source back to the computer. So first of all, I'll connect it to the computer. Yeah. So I'll connect to the computer. Here we go. Then I'll switch it back. I'll switch it back to this side. Yeah. Now I have access to the computer. So now I have access to the computer. So I'm going to use a loop. Then I'll be able to record onto the phone, the old phone. You may ask why I'm using my old phone to record instead of using the same phone that I'm using for this video. Yeah, I'll explain that one later, and we'll see. Okay, I'm falling in love with this thing. Okay, so I think we have some different noise. Okay. And I'm desperate for you. And I'm lost without you. And I'm desperate for you. And I'm lost without you. Okay, so I'm going to test how the sound is being affected by the changes here. Okay, so let me see how I position this phone. I wish I had a mount. No. Okay, so I'll do it this way. So I'm going to adjust the gain here. So the more I increase it, that is how it becomes very noisy, and you can see that green light there because it becomes so noisy and very loud. It's making the sound quality. Stop it. I don't know why the loop has lost control. Okay, so the same thing applies to the instrument gain as well. So when I strum, well, okay. So when I hit it, you may see the blink, the light blinking. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so it's best to keep it at maybe in the 9 o'clock or 3 o'clock, or maybe the 12 o'clock. But I think I like the 3 o'clock for both. So I've kept the out this way. I'm sure when I increase it, to increase the sound that is being recorded onto the phone. Yeah, but let's keep it this way. So this is to control the monitoring up. Yeah, so that's basically it. And let me see if the loop will work now. Oh god, I'll disconnect it and connect it again. Realize that the moment moment I took it off, it lost control, and yeah. Let me see if it will work now. Okay, it's making sense. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above the all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above the world. Your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above the world. All thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above the world. And the angels cry, holy, all creation's cry, holy, you are lifted high, holy, holy forever. When people sing, holy, to the King of Kings, holy, you will always be, holy, holy forever. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video so far, and watch out for the video how I'll use it to connect to the phone directly instead of connecting to the PC. So in this case, it's going to be communicating with the phone rather instead, and not with the computer. So instead of so I'll use the USB straight to the PC, to the phone, to the mobile phone. Alright, watch out for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye. If people sing, oh, to the King of Kings, holy, you will always be, holy, holy forever. When people sing, to the King of Kings, holy, you will always be, holy, holy forever. A thousand generations falling down the ocean will sing the song of ages to the land. See you next time. Oh, your name is the highest, your name is the greatest, your name stands above them all thrones and dominions, all powers and positions, your name stands above.